Greetings. You have been enrolled in the Classroom Management course developed by Intervention Services. The content for this course primarily references a few books. Those titles are A Proactive and Positive Approach to Classroom Management and Discipline in the Secondary Classroom, A Positive Approach to Behavior Management. To follow Wake County Schools' strategic plan, one of the objectives is learning and teaching. Teachers should provide students with the opportunity to participate in a relevant, rigorous, innovative, and comprehensive learning environment. To create dynamic learning experiences, a strategy identified in the learning and teaching objective, teachers must have a handle on their classroom. This course weaves activities and reflections into content. Classroom management is unique to one's classroom, and our hope is that you reflect on how these concepts relate to your classroom. The course will benefit you the most if this level of analysis and reflection happens. This course flows from session to session, 8 in total, and is designed so that any desired outcome and corresponding activities are a manageable length. However, it is not necessary to take these sessions in order. The course was designed so that participants can focus on either their area of need or the course as a whole. If you are looking to receive CEUs for this learning, you will need to register for the full course in eSchools. Here, you can use the Courses tab near the top left to search the course title, Positive and Proactive Classroom Management. You can also use the SRN number 189-428-01 in the Sessions search. This tab is located next to the Courses tab. Once you register in eSchools, you can self-enroll in the Canvas course using the following URL. After using this URL, you can begin Session 1. This Canvas course asks that you upload activities and/or complete short quizzes. These assignments will be reviewed by your behavior intervention coach, and feedback will be provided. Once the course has been completed, you will be awarded credit. To get a sense of what this looks like, let's focus on Session 3. The reason for focusing on Session 3 is that it includes a quiz and an activity or assignment. So from the main page, if you click Session 3, which is content around a management plan, you'll see on this lead page that there's a management plan activity, and if we read further underneath, you're asked to click here to take a short quiz that allows you to answer questions related to the content. So clicking here, we can actually access a quiz, and you see that these questions, just 3 of them, allow for reflection on the content. So I'm not going to fill this out, but when you finish reflecting on any quiz that's offered as part of this course, you simply click the Submit Quiz button, and then your narrative will be available to a behavior intervention coach for feedback. Now, if we focus on an activity or an assignment, I want to show you how to upload that. So if we go back here to Session 3, the course is actually set up so that you can advance or go back depending on how many sessions you actually take. But if I hit the next button, I will move on from the screen that includes the quiz, and we see a reflection assignment. So in order to complete an assignment or an activity, there's generally going to be a link that you click. So if I click on Session 3 Reflection, and please keep in mind that most sessions do have a personal reflection as part of the content, I see that a document is open up below. So by clicking on that Session 3 Reflection link, I gain access to the document you're about to see, and I'm going to enable the editing. So this is a reflection dealing with a management plan, and I'm certainly not going to fill this out completely, but as you deal with the content, you may very well create notes and implementation ideas based on Session 3 content, and for purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to put test notes in the document at hand. So once I finish with an assignment or an activity, I'm going to want to save it. And I'm simply going to save this to my desktop. So if I take the correct pathway, I'll simply call this test narrative, and again, save to my desktop. And then we'll simply be asked to go back and submit an assignment. Now, I've been working with this content a little bit for demonstration purposes and recording this video, so it does say resubmit assignment. I apologize about that, but if you took this initially, you would just see submit assignment. So if I click that button, I'm asked to choose a file to upload. So from my desktop, if I choose the file I call test narrative, if I identify it and hit open, it's now waiting there to be uploaded. And all I have to do at this point is submit my assignment. And again, the assignment will be sent along so a behavior intervention coach can review it. Now that I've shown you how to submit a quiz and how to submit an assignment, I'm just going to hit the next button, and this will take me on to session 4. We will not go through any more sessions. I'll leave that to you. But I just wanted to show you the flow of the way this course is developed. So thanks for taking a bit of time to better understand this flow, and please contact Intervention Services with any questions.